Root Healthy Plants.
Terrence here with Root Healthy Plants. I just got back from an auction at a plant nursery. I won 3 bids.
Last 30, now 5. In 35 here, 135. Would it get down there, down 30 there? Would it get 5 bid? Sold 130. Number 1.
It wasn't as big of a turnout as I thought it was going to be. I think there were maybe 20 people there. I enjoyed the experience. It was something different. I'm going to show you what I got, and then I'm going to read to you a little bit about each one. The first thing coming off, look at this. This first one is called a Weeping Blue Atlas Cedar. This is an evergreen tree. It thrives in zone 6 through 9. This thing is about maybe 5 feet tall, but between 3 and 12 feet width and height. That's a pretty decent tree. It's an interesting looking tree. It's like in an S type shape. So that's, it really got me by the look of it. The retail on this tree at where I just got it from is $307.50. I got this for the, drum roll please, I paid 90 bucks for this tree. I got a good deal on this one, and it's going to add a very interesting piece to the landscape. So I was happy with this one. Let's take this off. Whoa! All right, that's heavy. It's a lot heavier than it looks. I'm 6 foot tall. That's almost my height. If we're counting the little offshoot right there, we're not counting just the branches. I mean, if I stood it up, this thing will be taller than me. But as it stands right now, yeah, I'm happy with the buy. This is almost a 6 foot high tree. Let's call it 5 feet, just to be on the safe side. It definitely has to be in the front. All right, next on the list, we have 3 blue princess hollies. These are going to be a nice addition. I have a massive American holly in my backyard already. The berries are what brings out the holly. You need the male to pollinate the female plant so you can get all the berries. And as you can see, this has plenty of berries on it already. Hollies have the prickly leaves, so you gotta be careful with those if you don't know what those are about. Let's see if we can get some information on this one. It says, the blue princess holly is a popular, dense evergreen shrub known for its attractive blue-green foliage and bright red berries. It's a female cultivar requiring a male pollinator like blue prince for berry production. This shrub is relatively low maintenance and adaptable, making it a great choice for hedges, screens, or as a specimen plant. Key characteristics: features glossy green leaves with a bluish tint and spiny margins. The leaves retain their color throughout the year. The berries produce abundant, bright red berries in the fall and winter when pollinated by a male holly like blue prince, typically reaching 8 to 12 feet in height, 6 to 8 feet in width. Winter hardy in zones 5 through 9, prefers full sun to partial shade. Thrives in well-drained, slightly acidic, moist soil. Uses: excellent for hedges, screens, borders, foundational planting, and mass plantings. We got the details on this one. The nursery where I got it from, they usually sell this for $70 each. I paid $10 for 3, all 3 for 10 bucks total. That was a win. I came out of pocket 90 bucks. That I couldn't find it cheaper than 200 bucks online. So far, I got a $300 discount at the auction. So let's see what else we got. So I essentially paid like $3.30 each. That's a win. This one has berries on it too. This is holly number 3. This one does have berries on it. The third thing I got are skip laurels. I bought some of these already. I have a few skip laurels, and I wanted to finish the rest of the privacy screening on one side with these skip laurels. And this was a decent buy for me. I got 5 of these. I paid 80 bucks for 5. I'm standing these up just so you can kind of get the idea of what I'm trying to do as far as the privacy screen. So let's put this last one up there. You can see a decent privacy screen right here. I wanted to fill in the side of my house with skip laurels as a beautiful privacy screen. And on the other side, I have green giants, and they're going to get a whole lot bigger. Skip laurel, also known as the skip cherry laurel, is a popular evergreen shrub known for its dense dark green foliage and suitability for hedges and privacy screens. The glossy dark green leaves provide year-round privacy and visually appealing backdrop. White, fragrant flowers bloom in spring, attracting butterflies. Blackberries appear in summer, adding another visual element and attracting songbirds. Ooh, butterflies and songbirds. Nice. Versatile, can be used as a hedge, screen, or foundation planting. Low maintenance, relatively easy to care for, requiring minimal pruning if a natural shape is desired. Offers some resistance to deer browsing. Nice. Can tolerate both full and partial shade. So this is a win for me. Very low maintenance, very tolerant. The hollies, very tolerant. These are a win. The nursery, they sell these skip laurels for $70 each. I got these for 80 bucks total, and that's a $270 saving so far. Let's do the math. We got a $200 saving on the skip laurels. Add that up. We got a $100 saving on the blue Atlas Cedar. Add that up. We got the hollies for 10 bucks total, 200 bucks savings on the hollies. That is a whopping $570 savings if I would have got these at regular price at the nursery. I went to this auction and I only picked 3 things. There was a lot more to choose from. These caught my eye and I'm happy with them. You know, I was already going to purchase these at regular price. I'm glad I got these at the auction for a discount. That blue Atlas, that's just, I don't know, it just looked beautiful to me. I just wanted it. And it's going to be an interesting piece to the front part of my landscape. All right, just another close-up look. These are my laurels. These are going to add to my privacy screen. Again, that's my blue Atlas Cedar right there. And these are my 3 blue princess hollies. They look nice, nice berries. A whopping $570 saving. I appreciate y'all watching. If you have any comments, questions, please drop it in the comment section. If you haven't already, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. We'll see you on the next one. Terrence here, Rue Healthy Plant, signing out.